Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up Planswift files. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up our File Explorer. Then from here, I'm just going to go to Documents. Now I'm just going to create a new folder, so I'm going to call this folder Backup, like so. Then from there, exit out and come back to Planswift. Then from here, we need to click on the Settings tab at the top here. Now, inside of the Data Storage tab to the right, it's got Data Storage Locations. So now we need to click onto New. Then it's going to say Name, New Folder Storage. So I'm just going to change this to a Backup, like so. I'm going to give this a color. I might give this a color as in like an orange. Then from here where it says folder, go ahead and click onto it and then find that folder you just created. So I created mine in documents and here it is called backup. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. You can also make a new folder inside of here as well. Or if you want to change it, you can go ahead somewhere else, change it, click on make new folder, and that's where your backup's going to appear. But for this, I'm just going to click on the one I just created. So OK, and then click onto finish. Now, once you've done that, it's going to come back to this page and it's going to say we've created that backup storage location. Now if I go ahead and open up my File Explorer again, I'm inside of documents. Now if I click in the backup, you can see there is stuff put in here already. So there's files that they put in. So you got jobs, templates and data. Now to actually do a backup, what we need to do is click on the Home tab at the top of the page. Then from here, go ahead and click on Open. And then choose the job or the plan that you'd like the backup. So if I want to do sample plan, I can go ahead and click onto that and then click on copy to and then click onto backup. That was the one, that file you just created. So that's going to back it up to that file or folder location. And it's going to take a few moments to do that. You're going to see that mouse cursor, like a little circle going around saying that it's currently backing up that. Now to show you that it worked, I'm going to open this up, come back to jobs. And you can see here sample plan has been put inside of here like so. So that's how to back up Planswift files on your PC.